Hello everyone and welcome to this episode. In this episode we are going to have a look at a few important commands on Unix prompt. So let us get started. There is a command known as grep and it is actually going to find some sort of pattern from any file. So let us see grep and Ashwin and abc.csv. So it is going to search for pattern Ashwin in abc.csv and it is going to print the line where that pattern is found in that particular file. We can also make this command case insensitive and we have to pass -i option and asgard. So it is going to search for the string Asgard without checking the case, and here we have the output. So Thor 10k and Asgard, where A is uppercase and rest of the characters are lowercase. But here in the search term, everything was lowercase and it ignored the case. So -i stands for ignore the case. Now we can also sort all the data, and the data is actually just shown in the sorted order. It is not sorted in the actual file. Okay. So abc.csv, and it is going to show us the data in the sorted order like this. We can also check the unique elements in our data. So I will open nano abc.csv and let me copy this Iron Man. Copy. And let me paste it. And X. And I can say sort abc.csv unique and it is going to show us the unique rows in that entire data set. Okay. So this is how we can use unique with pipe with sort in order to see the unique data. Now let us have a look at the next utility, that is date, and it is going to show us the current date. We can use it programmatically and we are going to learn it in the coming episodes, how to use this in the shell scripting. Now there is a utility known as calendar and we have to install it on Debian and distributions. Install -y bsd main utils. So I think that it is going to borrow this code from bsd main utils, and let's install it. Okay, so it is already installed because I already installed it for the preparation of this episode, and I can just say cal and it shows me the calendar of the current month. Finally, we can use the command find dot -name star.conf, and it is actually going to search for that particular file with the star.conf. It means that the configuration extension in the current directory. Okay, so dot stands for current directory. So let me explain you the command once again. Let me clear the screen, and here we have the command. Oh, sorry, I was not supposed to execute it. Okay, so the find is the keyword of the command and dot is the name of the directory. We can use any directory, and -name is we are telling that command that use this sort of pattern, okay, in the name. Star.conf means all the configuration file. Similarly, if I just say here hyphen, it is going to show me all the configuration files in the root of this operating system or the root folder of this operating system. And it was actually showing us permission denied because many areas of the operating system, they are not for everyone. So we can use this command with sudo, and it is not going to show us permission denied as much as it showed us earlier. Okay, so it is showing us all the configuration files. Also, we can search for any other file format. It is not only limited to configuration files. Okay, so let me clear it. And let us say py, and if I hit enter, it is showing me all the Python files. So there are many Python files because this is my regular development machine for Python related courses and Python related code. So this is how we can use the find command, and we have seen all the other commands. So for now we are closing on the command section, and next episode is going to be on the IO redirection. So in case you want me to cover more commands that are not covered in this entire section or this entire series, then just let me know all those commands in the comment section down below. You can just go ahead and comment the name of the command and I will cover those commands. So thanks a lot, and I will see you next time.